We're making fish sticks. We defrosted our cod fillets. The girls are battering their fish. Embry's washing her hands right now because it can get a little bit messy, but we have flour, egg wash, and some breadcrumbs. And it's very simple. We cut the fish into little strips. We're gonna bread the fish. So Jasmine's back on the stove, Rachel, and she's got those cod fillets that they have breadcrumbs on them. They're cooking in just some olive oil, or you can use clarified butter. We're getting them just nice and crispy. And while Jasmine is back there cooking the cod, the girls are going to make an avocado tartar sauce. So they have a bunch of ingredients here that you can go ahead, girls, and start mixing them together. And the avocado tartar sauce is great. Now, tartar sauce, I have to be honest, confession, it's one of my favorite condiments of all time. Girls, do you like tartar sauce?
Yeah, I love it.
I love tartar sauce. I'll put French fries in tartar sauce. It's great on so many other things besides fish, but it's so synonymous with seafood. Now, tartar sauce is usually made with mayonnaise, and we're going to add a little bit of mayonnaise to this, but mostly, and you can use it only if you want. If you don't like mayonnaise, we're going to use avocado, right? Because avocado has that creamy texture of mayonnaise. It's a little bit healthier for you, probably. And it kind of works with this like healthy fish dish that we're making, right? Embry's throwing in some mustard. So we got avocado. We got lots of fresh dill. I've told you this on set before, Rach. This is my favorite herb. Dill to me is just such an
underused. Yeah, we talk about that often.
We're going to add some sweet pickles, or if you're that type of person, you can say cornichons. That's fine with me. And that's going to add crunch to the dish as well. I like a chunky tartar sauce where we're getting little bits of the cornichons. Yes. Or also some capers, right? Capers, which add a nice salinity to it. The salinity of the ocean, that's what we're looking for. We're gonna mix those capers in there, girls. A little bit of onions. And then this one, Rach, is a little controversial in our house. I'm gonna add some diced jalapeno. Girls, jalapeno thoughts?
Too spicy.
I love it. I can eat them whole.
All right. See, Rachel, listen, if Rachel Ray eats them whole, then we can put a little bit in our tartar sauce.
A little bit. Okay. Come on, just a little bit.
There it is. I'm trying to build up that spice tolerance. And the girls live in Southern California. They have to have a little tolerance for spice.
It's part of your lineage where you come from.
Exactly. A little bit of pepper, of course, using the largest pepper mill that you can find always helps.
Nice.
Always makes the pepper taste a little bit more. A little bit of salt. Riley, you want to put a little salt in there? Girls, by the way, and I know we're live with Rachael Ray right now, but that looks amazing. Bring a spoon of that. Bring a spoon of that to this camera.
It's so gorgeous. Yeah, show it to the camera. Lady. Yeah. Woo! Oh!
We're going to plate it right on the cutting board right here. We're going to just stack them up. Girls, let's put that in a jar. Do we have a little glass jar or a container for the tartar sauce? And we'll just stack these up. You want to see here? Amber, you want to grab the rest? You want to grab the rest of the fish sticks right there and then stack these up on the board? That's perfect. A mason jar. We're going to plate the tartar sauce in a mason jar because Jasmine Blais is a hipster. Everyone knows that. She's wearing ski caps in the summertime. You know the type. You want to stack that on top? I'm hands off now.
It might be a little hot.
Hands off. Stacking them up.
Like Lincoln logs.
Hey, you guys, Family Blais, is this how it always is at your house? Do you guys get to cook together often?
We are. I will say we cook together a lot often. And Riley here has just started taking one day a week at 12 years old where she cooks for the family on her own. So she's been cooking a lot of Rachael Ray recipes. So it's worked out well for her parents.
That's my lady. Woo!
She's got one of your books all marked with Post-it notes. Recipes to do next.
How sweet. You guys, we love you so much.